Think investing in the stock market is only for the rich. What if I told you, you could start with just $100? Hey everyone. Today we're breaking down the stock market for absolute beginners and showing you how to start with your first $100. We'll cover how to invest, why it matters for your future, and how to avoid beginner mistakes. So what is the stock market? It's where you buy small pieces of big companies. Buying a stock is like owning a slice of a giant pizza. If the company grows, your stock value grows too. That's how you make profit. But don't put all your money in one stock. Diversification is key. Today, you don't need trading floors. You can invest using simple mobile apps. You can even buy fractional shares, meaning you don't need a lot of money. A smart beginner option is an ETF. It's like a basket of many stocks. When you buy one ETF, you instantly own small pieces of many different companies. For beginners, broad market index funds like those tracking the S&P 500 are a simple starting point. But why start now with just $100? Because time is your biggest advantage. The earlier you invest, the more compounding works in your favor. Even small investments, made consistently, can grow significantly over decades. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. What's your biggest fear about investing? Let me know in the comments. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more simple, actionable financial tips. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into choosing the right ETF for your goals.